Hey everyone, so welcome back to today's first impressions video. We're going to be testing out a bunch of drugstore makeup that we just recently hauled. So if you guys haven't seen that video and you guys want to check out everything that I hauled, because not everything's going to be featured in here, but I'm going to try to use a majority of the stuff that is new. I'm going to have it linked right up here somewhere and you guys can go ahead and check it out. Otherwise, we're just going to get jumping right into it, and let's start off with the very first thing. First, we're going to start off with brows, and to do my brows today, I'm actually going to be using this product, which I've never used before. It is by Pop Beauty, and it is their Peak Performance Brow Pencil with a spoolie attached on the other side. And the shade that I will be using is called Natural Burnette. And then just for a little bit more added depth, I'm going to go in with the Brow Powder by Pop Beauty as well. And this here is the Brow Duet in Classy Burnette. So there are my brows. I will say they are a little bit thicker than what I'm used to, but if you guys like the Brow Definer by Anastasia Beverly Hills, that is kind of the same concept, except I feel like this brow pencil was a little bit easier to work with than the other one. Just from what I remember last time, this is much easier in my opinion to work with, and it's very, very creamy. And then the setting it really helped, especially if you have sparse brows like I do on your tail end. So we're going to go ahead now and we're going to be priming our eyeballs. We're going to be using the CATRICE Liquid Camouflage Concealer. This isn't super new to me. I've had this for a while now, and I get questions from you guys asking my thoughts on it, and I love it. I think it's incredible. This is a full coverage or high coverage concealer, so it's definitely going to hide all those imperfections, and we're just going to use it to prime the eyes because I don't really have anything that's drugstore related that I love for eye primer. So for today's look, we're going to be taking the PROFUSION Naturals palette. I just received this and I'm so excited to play with it, you guys, because I think I was talking about this on my Instagram, but this thing retails for like $9.99. You can definitely find it at Target. PROFUSION now is at Target, or you can definitely buy it online, but this is just a crazy all over neutral palette, so I figured we'll try it out, see what the consistency is like and play around with it. The very first shade I'm going to be going in with is called Silky, and I'm just going to be taking the Wet n Wild brush. This is the P20 brush, and I'm just going to be dusting that all over the eyes just to set it as the base. In the same brush, I'm now going to dip into the color called Outgoing, and I'm going to take that as my transition shade. The next color I'm going to be going in with is called Outspoken, and I'm going to be taking it on another Wet n Wild P15 brush, and I'm just going to put this on the crease and the outer corner as well. I'm going to be taking a combination of Cozy and Nightlife. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to be taking the same brush and I'm just going to be applying those two colors and then again blending it out. So I'm really just going to be using two brushes for right now. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Back to the rules and I'll hit the ground running. It makes sense what to live for fun. You can get smart but your head gets dumb. For the lid, I'm actually not going to cut the crease this time. I'm going to just leave it like this and add color to it already. So we're going to go in with Terrific right on the lid, and then I think I'm going to blend it in with just a little bit of Excited right on the inner corner. Alright, so that is the look that I created using this palette. I will say that I actually really like this palette. All the colors were really easy to work with, and I have had these Wet n Wild brushes for quite some time. I just haven't really played with them. I just keep them around for display, but I figured today was a greater day than no other day to use these, and I will say that these are freaking amazing, you guys, and I'm so happy that I finally used them. I know a lot of people rave about them. I just like the way they look, and I never wanted to get them dirty. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and clean everything up before I do concealer. I did talk about these in my video. These here are the ALMAY Makeup Eraser Sticks. There's like a little purple line right here, and you basically just kind of pop it off like that, and then the makeup remover is just going to soak up into the opposite end of the Q-tip, and you're just going to take it away. Thing is amazing, you guys, I'm telling you. For lashes, I'm going to go in with the EYLURE Luxe Silk. This is in the version Marquise, and I'm just going to go ahead and pop these on really quick. So to start off, we're going to go ahead and we're going to be using the Flower Beauty In Your Prime Pore Minimizing Primer. I feel like this isn't doing anything. I feel like this is just a moisturizer. Yeah, I don't see anything. That's strange. So now I'm just going to put the Infallible one right in the T-zone area, and I want to see how this works. I have not heard anything about this. Have you guys heard anything? Have you guys tried this stuff? I went to the drugstore today, to Walgreens, to go look for that Physician's Formula stuff. Oh, I like it. And I cannot find Physician's Formula anything, but I found 2 foundations that were new that I had seen. This here is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation, and I found the Revlon one, which is not in my shade, but I'm still going to try it out, and I'm excited because they are both matte foundations, and the 3-in-1 foundation by CoverGirl is like up there with a bunch of other foundations. Well, not really a bunch, but you know what I mean. And I'm like, ooh, you know, do we got another good one coming out? So anyways, oh my god, that feels so much better. This, no. This, yes. For foundation, we're going to go in with the Maybelline Superstay Foundation with our Beauty Sponge, and I am in the shade 310. So the color match is perfect. The consistency is obviously thicker, but it still feels pretty lightweight for the skin. Like, it's a little bit thicker than the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Sometimes when I do my foundation, I get it in my hair, and then my mom will like send me pictures, and she's like, Mija, you have gray hair. I'm like, no mom, it's foundation. And you know, Hispanic moms, you can't talk back to them, because if it was my girlfriend, I probably would have told her off, but because it's my mom, I gotta be like, no mom. And I'm like, it's just foundation, mom. She's like, are you sure, Mija? Have you looked? Like, so now that we have that on, I will say that the coverage is pretty damn good. I don't feel like it's very heavy, but it's definitely matte, and so far I like it. For concealer, I'm just going to go in with the Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer. This one's pretty light, so I'm going to be kind of light-handed with this because it's a little lighter than what I normally am used to wearing. So we're going to go in with the Infallible Pro Sweep and Lock underneath the eyes. This is really soft, by the way. So we're going to go ahead and finish up with the lower lash line, and I'm going to be taking the PIXI eye pencil, and this is in the shade Black Blue, and I'm going to be taking it on the waterline, and then I'm going to smudge it down below. I did listen to you guys, and a lot of you guys told me I needed to go out and get the butter bronzer from Formula Physician, so I picked it up today. I actually got the shade a Deep Bronze. Oh my god, you guys didn't tell me it smelled like coconut. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh yeah, that's nice. For the inner corners, I'm going to go in with a Catrice highlighter before I highlight with a powder shadow. And I'm going to be using this one by Catrice, and this is in the shade California Creamin'. That is so intense. I love it. And then on top of that, I'm going to go in with the ALMAY Here Goes Nothing Shadow Quad. And then for blush, we're going to go in with the Flower Beauty blush, and this is in the shade Sweet Pea. For highlight, yes, you guys know, if you guys saw my drugstore haul, you know what we're gonna do. We're gonna be taking the Butter Bronzer highlighter, and this one is in the shade Champagne. And oh my gosh, so beautiful. So freaking beautiful. And I'm actually gonna be taking it on a Wet n Wild highlighting brush, and I'm going to apply it right, you guys know where, right? For lips, we're just going to finish off with the CoverGirl Melting Pout Lip. And this here is in the shade 300 Secret. It's so pretty, you guys. And then right in the center of the lips, you guys, we're going to go in with this e.l.f. Champagne Glam Gloss just to give a little bit more poutiness to the lip. I hope you guys liked this first impressions on a bunch of new drugstore makeup that I picked up. Let me know what you guys liked and didn't like and what your thoughts are on the products. So far, I will say that I think my favorite thing in this palette, or my favorite thing in this entire look so far has got to be the eyeshadow palette. I was really impressed with it, and of course the highlighter. But the bronze booster, you guys, like, thank you for the recommendation. It came out really nicely, so I appreciate that. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure to hit that notification button. That way you guys are notified when I upload a video. And thank you all so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and otherwise than that, I will see you guys all in my next video. I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.